హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎస్కే ట్యూటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం 2017లో జరిగినటువంటి టీఎస్ టెట్ మోడల్ పేపర్ 1లోని పార్ట్ 3 ఇంగ్లీష్ కంటెంట్ అండ్ మెథడాలజీకి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కంటెంట్కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ ఒక ప్యాసేజ్ ఇస్తారు, ప్యాసేజ్కి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తారు, వాటిని మనం ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ప్యాసేజ్, రీడ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ప్యాసేజ్. Rabindranath Tagore's emergence as an educator was completely a matter of personal development, a necessary outcome of entire course of his life and experience. He was born into a house which had been a center of numerous ethical and social movements and nucleus of all sorts of progressive ideas and actions. Tagore observed all the rich and varied elements of Eastern and Western culture that made him cosmopolitan. Tagore found his days in traditional school wasteful and oppressive. He had acquired more knowledge by self-education that gave shape and direction of his numerous powers and potentialities. He evolved as an educator par excellence. Tagore was at home humanities as well as sciences, besides having a strong poeticence and in-depth intuition with philosophy and profound relation with music and arts. The tangible embodiment of this realization was Shantiniketan. It was found on 24th December 1901 at the land purchased by his father Maharshi Debendranath to establish a place for meditation. Initially, there were 5 students, all boys, all Bengalis, 4 of them for Calcutta and 5th of founder's son. Rabindranath Tagore himself described Shantiniketan as his tangible poem. As the boat, the golden boat, Sona Tori carried the best cargo of his life. In a letter to the Prince of Tripura, the poet educator wrote, I wish to keep my students away from all luxuries of European life and blind infatuation with Europe, and thus lead them in the ways of sacred and unsealed Indian tradition of poverty. The world responded and honored him not merely as a poet but as a poet educator, as Gurudeva. Now answer the following question. Choose the right option. First question number 61. Tagore turned cosmopolitan. Option 1, since he was traditional. Option 2, since he was self-educator. Option 3, as he observed Western and Eastern culture. 4, for being a poet. The right answer is option 3. Next question. Tagore had strong poetic sense besides. Option 1, proficient in psychology. Option 2, proficient in music and arts. Option 3, being a depth in sports. Option 4, being tactical. The right answer is being adept in sports. Next question number 3. Shantiniketan was founded. Option 1, as a education center for Bengalis. Option 2, to impart education among the poor. Option 3, as a center for meditation. Option 4, to realize Tagore's dream. The right answer is to realize Tagore's dream. Question number 64. Tagore wrote, I wish to keep my students Indian tradition of poverty to dash. Option 1, the Government of India. Option 2, Government of Bengal. Option 3, Prince of Tripura. Option 4, the Prince of Patna. The right answer is the Prince of Tripura. Option 3. Tagore attributes his tangible poem to option 1, Indian subcontinent. Option 2, Shantiniketan. Option 3 is philosophy. Option 4 is discipline. The right answer is option 2, Shantiniketan. The following passage has 5 number blanks. For each blank, 4 alternatives as given. Identify the correct option for the each blank. Hi, I am Renu. Well, I dash as 4th child in family of 7. Options. Option 1, grow on. Option 2, grow always. Option 3, grow out. Option 4, grow up. The right answer is option 4. Grow up. It was fun. I never dashed to look for friends to play with each other too, but were always great friends. Options. 1. Had. Option 2. Have. Option 3. Liked. Option 4. Had. The right answer is option 1. Had. On the other side, food was not in plenty because my father dash income wasn't anything much. Option 1. Grand. Option 2. Sole. Option 2. Joint. Option 4. Hugh. Right answer is option 2. Well, that taught me how to share and be happy with dash we had. Option 1, a very little. Option 2, little. Option 3, a little. Option 4, the little. The right answer is the little. Option 4, the little we had. The best part of it was that we all learned to eat dash that came our way. Option 1, everything. Option 2, something. Option 3, anything. Option 4, nothing. Right answer is option 3, anything came our way. Read the conversation openers labeled 1, 2, 3, 4 given on the left and their response as A, B, C, D on right. Is going. 2, lovely weather. 3, I'll be in touch. 4, it's been very. A, same here. B, great. C, bye for now. D, S, it is. The right answer is option 2. 1 is B, 2 is D, 3 is C, 4 is A. The right answer is option 2. Next question. We unlocked the door and entered our apartment. We were shocked to find the old place in disarray. Identify the verb in passive voice in the above passage. Option 1, find. Option 2, unlocked. Option 3, entered. Option 4, shocked. The right answer is option 4, shocked. I saw him crossing the bridge. The structure of underlined part of the sentence is option 1, subject plus verb plus pronoun plus present participle. Option 2, subject plus verb plus noun plus gerund. Option 3, subject plus verb plus pronoun plus infinitive. Option 4, subject plus verb plus noun plus past participle. The right answer is option 1. There is no coffee. Would you like a cup of tea instead? Identify the parts of speech of the underlined word. Option 1, preposition. Option 2, conjunction. Option 3, adjective. Option 4, adverb. The right answer is option 4, adverb. 76, you make a face. Option, when you deliberately ignore them. Option 2, when you want to control your laughter. Option 3, when you are not pleased about something. Option 4, when you accept it is a straightforward way. Option 3 is right answer. When you not pleased about something. Question number 7. Those who have learned English use terms like thank you and sorry more often than others who have not learned English. It means that option 1, language is arbitrary. Option 2, language exhibits redundancy. Option 3, language is creative. Option 4, language transmit culture. The right answer is option 4. Using gestures, expressions, actions is one of the techniques used to teach. Option 1, grammar. Option 2, spelling. Option 3, vocabulary. Option 4, pronunciation. The right answer is option 3, vocabulary. Number 17. Capital letter are not used. Option 1, to begin each fresh line of poetry. Option 2, to begin sentence. Option 3, to begin all adjectives which describes God. Option 4, to write pronoun I and interjunction O. The right answer is option 3. Next question number 80. One among following is not the suffix of adjectives. Identify it. Option 1, full. Option 2, less. Option 3, some. Option 4, hood. The right answer is option 4. No other democracy in the world is. Choose the right option to complete the sentence. Option 1, larger than India. Option 2, the largest in India. Option 4, not so large as India. Option 4, as large as India. Right answer is option 4. Number 82. One among the following does not describe part of our body. Find out. Option 1, pulp. Option 2, curly. Option 3, wrinkle. Option 4, trendy. The right answer is option 4, trendy. The exchanges of conversation between two people are given below in jumbled order. Identify their right order to make meaningful conversation. A. Not too well. B. I am beginning to hate my job. C. Hi, Gurj. Have you been? D. How came? What's the matter? E. I thought you quite liked it. The right answer is option 2. Right order is option 2. Identify the correct question for the reply no. They have financed their own studies. Option 1. Do they finance your studies? Option 2. Do students in your country get grant? Do you get credits for your exam? Do you get grant for your studies? The right answer is option 2. Next, English methodology. 85. Read the sentence A, B, C, D. Out of them, only 2 grammatically correct. Identify them. A. I am seeing the doctor at 10 o'clock. B. I was wondering if you had 2 single rooms. C. I am looking forward seeing you again. D. I am liking this music. Right answer is option 4. B and C are the right. Question number 86. The British dash is sailing from Southampton early this morning. Identify the appropriate word to fill the blank. Option 1 fleet, option 2 head, option 3 fleece, option 4 fluck. The right answer is option 1. Next question number 87. The file or folder with a collection of learners' work assembled over a period of time is dash. Option 1 a journal. Option 2 a portfolio. Option 3 a big book. Option 4 a diary. Right answer is option 2 a portfolio. Question number 88. The correct choice or option among the alternative in multiple choice and questions is called option 1 key, option 2 stem, option 3 option, option 4 distractor. The right answer is key, option 1. One of the tool of formative assessment is option 1 conversation of writing, option 2 reading comprehension, option 3 project work, option 4 grammar. Right answer is project work. One of the features of diary writing is option 1 maintaining proper layout of text, option 2 designing a graphics, option 3 use of polite language, option 4 use of language appropriate to mood. The right answer is option 4. Use of language appropriate to mood.